Hello, this is Tony Heller from RealClimateScience.com. USA Today published this recently. Multiple independent climate agencies report very similar warming patterns. But the reality is there's nothing independent about their data. They all use approximately the same data set from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. So let's take a look at their website, Assessing the Global Climate in August 2023. This is from NOAA's National Centers for Environmental Information. They show that Earth was red hot during August 2023, with places like the Congo being the hottest on record. The NOAA dataset is known as the Global Historical Climatology Network. This map shows where they said they had data during August 2023. Note that NOAA didn't actually have any data from the Congo during August 2023. Yet they claimed that the Congo was the hottest on record during August 2023, even though they didn't actually have any thermometer data. So let's take a closer look at what was going on in Africa during August 2023. Their map shows no data from the Congo, but they did have a station nearby in the Central African Republic. Let's take a look and see what data they have from there. This is the data from that station. It's a very short, fragmented, and incoherent record, which is not good enough to be used for any legitimate scientific analysis. NOAA should not have this station in their database. Let's take a look at the other station which NOAA has from the Central African Republic. Once again, this station has a short, incoherent, and fragmented record. The quality of this station is not good enough to use for scientific analysis. It should not be included in the NOAA database. NOAA has no data from Uganda or Burundi, but they do have one station in Rwanda. Let's take a look at that. Once again, the data from that station is short, incoherent, and fragmented. It is not of high enough quality to be used. It should not be included in the NOAA database. Now let's take a look at this station from the Republic of the Congo. This station isn't as bad as the other stations, and it shows quite a bit of warming. But there's a little problem with that station. It's located right next to an airport runway in the middle of one of the largest urban heat islands in the world. About 12 million people live in that urban area. That's more than the population of New York. The only station in Central Africa with anything resembling a coherent long-term record is unusable because it's a massive urban heat island. Let's take a look at one more station in Tanzania. The Tabora airport has data going back to about 1940, but as you can see, there isn't a lot of warming going on there. NOAA doesn't actually have any temperature data from the Congo from August 2023, yet they show it as the hottest on record. And they also don't have any usable historical data either. This is not an isolated case of climate fakery by NOAA. They're actually doing very similar things in many other parts of the world. And then all these other agencies use the same fake data and come up with the same fake graph. USA Today then takes these same fake incestuous graphs and describes them as being independent. There's nothing either independent or legitimate about these graphs. If we look at this page from NOAA, we can see what the purpose of their scam is. They are attempting to demonize fossil fuels and agriculture. They want people to believe that the burning of fossil fuels and the growing of food are producing greenhouse gases which are destroying the climate. The whole thing is a massive scam which has nothing to do with science or reality. Toto's been pulling back the curtain on this nonsense for more than 15 years. You can visit him, Kyrie Caesar, Toki Upala, and the 4 new puppies on the web at RealClimateScience.com.